Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications.
Hello friends, today's recipe is South Indian style Ganesh Chaturthi special recipe. Andhra side it is called as KaramUndrallu and Tamil Nadu side it is called as Ammini Kozhukattai. This is not only a festival recipe but also can be made as an evening snack. Preparation is very quick and simple. So without any delay, let's start the preparation. First we'll make a cumin and green chilli paste to add it to rice flour balls. Add half teaspoon cumin, 1 green chilli, crush and ground to a coarse paste. Adding cumin and green chilli paste is completely optional, but adding it gives a very nice flavor to the dish. Make a coarse paste like this and keep it aside. Next we'll make rice flour balls. Heat the pan. Add 1 cup water. To this add 1/4 teaspoon salt, cumin and green chilli paste. Stir well with the water. Add 2 drops of oil and let it come to a boil. Once water comes to a boil, turn off the flame. Slowly add 1 cup rice flour to this. Keep stirring continuously to prevent the lumps. Keep adding flour slowly and keep stirring continuously until everything mixed and it forms like a smooth dough. Stir well until there is no dry mixture left. Make like a smooth dough. Make sure everything mixed and there is no dry flour is seen. Now cover it and leave it for a few minutes. Now once the mixture is warm, transfer to the plate. To this add 2 drops oil. Knead to a smooth dough. Now grease your palms with oil. Take a small dough mixture. Roll a small size ball without any cracks. Make a small size ball like this and transfer to the plate. Now repeat the process with the remaining mixture. Rice flour balls are ready. Now we'll steam them. Now take a steamer plate or an idli plate greased with oil. Now place rice flour balls on it. Now heat a idli steamer or a pot with water and boil. Now place idli plate in the steamer. Cover and steam it for 10 minutes on a low to medium flame. Do not overcook or else rice flour balls will turn hard. After 10 minutes, take out the lid. Now you can see rice flour balls are steamed. Now turn off the flame and allow rice flour balls to cool down. Now heat the pan and add a teaspoon oil for tempering. To this add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and let it splutter. Add 1/4 teaspoon cumin. Add chana dal and urad dal. Saute for few seconds on a medium flame till dals are lightly roasted. Now add curry leaves and let it splutter. Next add 1 chopped green chilli and saute for few seconds. Next to this add 3 tablespoons grated coconut. A pinch of salt for taste. Saute for a minute on a low medium flame. Now add steamed rice flour balls to this. Toss it for a few seconds. Don't toss it for a long time or else rice flour balls will turn hard. Now turn off the flame and serve it hot. Simple and spicy KaramUndrallu or Ammini Kozhukattai are ready. Definitely try this recipe on this Ganesh Chaturthi festival and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.